Me uploading a DIY? What year is it? Hey guys, this is so spontaneous, but I learned how to make this tights like shirt today in approximately 30 seconds. And I thought I would share with you guys because you guys are my besties and we're gonna be rocking the cool basics this summer. There's a bunch of tutorials online with like way more abstract designs and cutouts, but I'm gonna keep this as simple as possible. The most complicated thing about this is going to be cutting out the thumb holes. And that wasn't complicated at all. Short, sweet, simple, that's my kind of thing. That's my kind of DIY because I'm not crafty. I'm going to leave a bunch of like references and like TikTok videos that I watched before in the description because I want to obviously give credit where credit's due. I did not come up with this, so I'm gonna stop talking and let's just get into it. The only thing you need for this is literally a pair of tights, any color, any variety. So the first thing you want to do is cut out the little triangle of the crotch, and this is what it'll look like once you take it out, and this is what it should look like once you cut the crotch out, which I never thought I would say out loud. Now where your feet go, we're just gonna cut across like that. And same on the other side. I'm gonna put a sports bra on right now just so I can like try this on with you guys and make any adjustments together and not get demonetized and get deplatformed. It's already like almost done. I just want to, where my thumb naturally pokes through, just create a little slit, just like that. And then you just stick your finger through. That's literally it, guys. Like, this is the shirt. But it's so easy and so cute, and the fact that you could do it in like so many different colors. Like I have this peach pair that actually already doesn't have, what is it, like the tights. It's not like an actual pair of tights, it's more like a legging. And I'm thinking it would be so cute to do with pink. So let me do it right now, because this is how fucking easy it is. There it is. Let me just throw it over top. Bear with me, I know I just changed this a bunch, but this particular shade is severely see-through, so there's really just like no way I could wear it on its own. And I was like, okay, well, if this could be a layering piece, how can I layer it? And can I show an example of that? And boom, I have this lingerie top and I threw it over top that. And like, it just adds this really nice like layer to it. Like I feel like a sexy Disney princess, you know? So it's just like showing you the versatility and that you can obviously wear it on itself, but like, you may not want to actually leave the house like that, and if you don't want to leave the house like that but you still want to have that kind of moment, then you could totally layer it. Oh, let me cut little thumb holes. Again, I know it's not like the most complicated tutorial in the world, but like for me, for someone who like can't really comprehend DIYs, I looked at this at first and I was like, no, can I do that? And now I'm like, I wish I had more tights because I would just walk around with this all day. So I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please let me know in the comments. That is the tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. And I hope you tag me on Instagram if you make these and post them. I dare you to post it. Love you. Bye.